think it's a number of issues, and company does not provide guidance. And when you look at what happened, a lot of the liquidated inventory went to the heavy discounters like Five Below, Ollie's, and those types of companies. But really, when you look at the numbers, a lot of the weakness that was seen was a result of international business, particularly in Europe, and just didn't have a good read on it.
Obviously, yeah. I mean, the last thing you said is we remain bullish towards Hasbro heading into the third quarter earnings report scheduled for Monday morning. Stock's down significantly. So this
stock's down about stock's down about 7% today. But we upgraded the stock in August with the view of, look, this is a lost year. The impact of Toys R Us, certain issues with the industry going on in Europe. This is going to be a tough year for the toy industry. But really, our upgrade was predicated on a stronger outlook in 2019. Yeah. And when you look at 2019, there's a lot of good news coming for Hasbro. You've got the next Frozen 2 movie coming out. Right. You've got the last movie of the Episode 9 for Star Wars and the third trilogy coming out. You've got Magic the Gathering coming out with a digital product. There's several other unique factors for Hasbro that we think are going to drive a lot of revenue growth as well as margin expansion. This year, what the company can do on its own, it's not a product problem for Hasbro. It's more of an industry macro issue.
All these, I don't know what they do without movie tie-ins, obviously, but for Disney, a live-action Dumbo, I mean, how they're going to get that elephant to fly is... I mean, do you have any idea what logistically that's going to involve at this point, Eric? There's live Lion King, too, dangerous. And then also Aladdin, which there's no way a person's coming out of a lamp, I don't think. Is there?
Well, Will Smith as a genie, you never know. But look, when you look at what Beauty and the Beast did and the live-action version, it generated a lot of revenue and resulted in a lot of toy sales. And I think Aladdin and Lion King are going to be quite significant for the brand, especially on the Disney Princess line.
And it's Spider-Man, too. So all movie tie-ins, but an additional $500 million of incremental revenue next 2019 from those, in your view.
Potentially, but also, one of the things to really watch is a card battling game that they have is Magic the Gathering Arena.
I didn't know what that was, right?
So you're taking a traditional card battling game, sort of like a Pokemon type of game.
Oh, I see.
With the cards. And now you're taking that to the digital arena. That's about a $1.5 billion to $2 billion market, dominated right now by Activision's game Hearthstone. You have 8 million people right now playing Magic the Gathering. Well, this is something that in a couple years could be a $400 or $500 million product line.